Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chef Amir and you are watching Chef Life Vlog. Hey, hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about 6 different kinds of mother sauce, the base of all kind of sauces. From my video you are going to learn how we can make the basic mother sauce, and the recipe of it I'll be giving you on the screen. Let's go check it out, the recipe, the 6 mother sauce. The basic mother sauce are 1. Mayonnaise, 2. Tomato sauce, 3. Velouté sauce, 4. Béchamel sauce, 5. Hollandaise sauce, and 6. Espagnole sauce. The basic mother sauce are categorized into 2 categories. One is roux base and another is egg base. So before we start, let us learn how to make roux first, then we will go to next category. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is defined in many ways, which primarily from tomatoes. This sauce is used mostly with meat and vegetables. Various sauces are created with this sauce, for example, Napolitana, Arrabbiata, Portuguese, Spanish, and Creole, etc. Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce is one of the 5 mother sauce in French cuisine. This sauce is also known as Dutch sauce. It is made by emulsifying yolk, butter, and lemon. The seasoning is done with salt, cayenne pepper, or white pepper. Béchamel sauce. Béchamel sauce, also known as white sauce. This sauce is originated from France and Italy, made with the equal mixture of flour and butter, which is hence called a roux. This sauce is also normally used as a base of other sauces like Mornay sauce. We can find the use of this sauce in various French cuisine as well as Italian delicacies. Espagnole sauce. Espagnole sauce is also known as brown sauce, one of the 5 mother sauce of Auguste Escoeffier from French cooking. This sauce mostly used for meat and poultry and has a strong taste. It is quite rarely used directly on food. It has many derivatives like bourguignon sauce, au savino, demi-glace, etc. There are many more other derivatives which are used nowadays. Velouté sauce. Velouté sauce is one of the 5 mother sauce of French cuisine. The meaning of word velouté means velvety. In fact, it is also known as savory sauce. It has many derivatives as other sauce has, like almende sauce, Aurora sauce, Velouté sauce, and Albufera sauce, etc. Béarnaise sauce. Béarnaise sauce is a sauce made of clarified butter, emulsified in egg yolk and white wine, vinegar, and flavored with tarragon. It is almost similar to Hollandaise. This sauce is originated from France. The main ingredients of this sauce is egg yolk, clarified butter, white wine, and vinegar. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is made by combining lemon juice or vinegar with egg yolks. Mayonnaise is a thick, creamy sauce or dressing that is made of oil, egg yolks, lemon juice or vinegar, and seasonings. It's not the same as salad dressing, which does not contain egg yolks and is generally sweeter than mayonnaise. Hello folks, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video, and if you find this video is useful for you guys, do not forget to subscribe my channel. And yes, I will be uploading a lot many videos in coming up days. So guys, till then stay tuned and stay at your home. Stay safe. Till then, this is Chef Amir signing off. Take care. Bye bye.
सँगै रमाउन दुःखलाई भुलेर आउसँगै बसौँ न साथ हामी मिलेर